In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable double-click side button to open Wallet and Apple Pay. This feature allows you to quickly access your digital wallet by simply double-clicking the side button. It can be very convenient for making payments or checking your cards. However, if you find it unnecessary or if it activates too easily, you might want to turn it off. To get started, open up the Settings app and then scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Now that you're in this section, look for an option labeled Double-Click Side Button. To enable this convenient option, simply toggle on the switch next to it. If you prefer not to use this feature, disabling it is just as easy. Simply toggle off the switch next to the double-click side button. Now, pressing that side button won't bring up your wallet or payment options. And there you have it. You now know how to enable or disable the double-click side button feature for Wallet and Apple Pay. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.